Всем привет! Меня зовут Юля. Добро пожаловать на мой канал. I'm sure you know the verbs слушать and слышать. Probably you even know the difference between these two verbs. But we use them a lot with different prefixes. And this is the subject of today's video. So the first one is слушать. This is imperfective verb. Послушать is perfective verb. It means listen to. For example, я слушаю музыку радио. I'm listening to the music or to the radio. We use accusative case. Here we ask the question что? Что ты слушаешь? We also can use this verb with living objects. For example, на уроке мы слушаем учителя. Мы слушаем кого? Учителя. We are listening to the teacher. Who are we listening to? To the teacher. So, слушать, послушать means to listen when you choose to listen to something. Radio, music, song, news, etc. With prefix при, прислушиваться, прислушаться, there are two different meanings. The first meaning is to listen very carefully. Maybe there is noise or something and you need to pay attention to, for example, to what the person is saying. Он тихо говорит, нужно прислушиваться. He is speaking quietly, so it's necessary to listen to very carefully. Another meaning is to take into consideration something, for example, advice. Нужно прислушиваться к советам. Here we use it with preposition к. Прислушиваться к means take into consideration. It is necessary to take into consideration the advice. For example, к советам родителей, maybe advice of parents. So, прислушиваться, прислушаться. Again, it is NSV and SV form. Two meanings. The first one is to listen to something or somebody carefully, or to take into consideration some information. Next one. Подслушивать, подслушать. Подслушивать, подслушать means to overhear. When you are not supposed to hear something, but you are doing not a very good thing. You overhear someone's conversation, for example. Я подслушал их разговор. I overheard their conversation. Переслушивать, переслушать. In general, the prefix пере means to do it again. For example, переделать что-то, to do something again. Переписать что-то, to rewrite something. And here it has the similar meaning. Переслушивать, переслушать means to listen again and again. Я люблю переслушивать песни. I like to listen to the songs again several times. Прослушивать, прослушать. It means to... You can use this verb when you didn't catch something. Maybe you are having a conversation, but you are flying somewhere, you are thinking about something else, and you didn't catch what your friend said. In this case, you can ask, что ты сказал? Я прослушал. What did you say? I didn't catch it. Выслушивать, выслушать. It means to listen to something till the end. From the beginning till the end. For example, доктор меня выслушал и выписал мне лекарства. The doctor listened to me till the end and prescribed me some medicines. So you were talking, and the doctor was from the beginning. He was listening to your story for 10 minutes, and afterwards he gave you a prescription. And the last one, недослушивать, недослушать. Again, prefix недо means to not finish something, to do it not till the end. So this is the opposite of this verb. If выслушать means to hear everything, to listen to the whole story, here it's the opposite. You didn't listen to the story till the end. Я не дослушал его рассказ. I didn't listen to his story till the end. Maybe because it was boring, or I don't know why. You left in the middle of his story. So one more time, слушать, послушать means to listen to. This is NSV, this is SV. Прислушиваться, прислушаться means to listen to something very carefully or take into consideration an advice. Подслушивать, подслушать, over here. Переслушивать, переслушать, listen again and again. Прослушивать, прослушать, didn't catch something. Выслушивать, выслушать, listen till the end. And the opposite, недослушивать, недослушать. And next verbs, слышать, услышать. It means to hear. Слышать, it is imperfective verb. Услышать, it is perfective verb. NSV, SV. We use it with accusative case. For example, я слышу шум, голоса. I hear noise or voices. I hope not in your head. Also, we use it with living objects. For example, я тебя хорошо слышу. I hear you well. If you are talking to someone via WhatsApp or Zoom and you're checking connection, you can say я тебя хорошо or я тебя плохо слышу. And luckily there are just few verbs with prefixes. The first one is расслышать. It is SV. It is perfective form. Расслышать means to hear clearly or to catch or didn't catch. For example, я не расслышал, что ты сказал. I didn't catch what you said. In this case, you can use the verb услышать. Я не услышал, что ты сказал, or я не расслышал, что ты сказал. So I didn't catch what you said. It is very similar to the verb прослушивать. But as I told you, прослушивать, you didn't catch it because you were dreaming about something else. It is your fault. While here, я не расслышал или я не услышал, что ты сказал. Maybe because it was noisy or because person was talking a little bit quiet. So this is the difference. Слышаться, послышаться, it means to mishear. When you hear something that was not pronounced actually. For example, мне послышался странный шум. So I misheard a weird noise. It is not real, it is your imagination. You heard it by mistake. You misheard this noise. In reality, it didn't happen. Or мне послышалось, что ты что-то сказал. I misheard you saying something. But again, it's in your head. The person didn't say anything. Quick review. So слышать, услышать means to hear. Расслышать means or не расслышать means to didn't, when you didn't catch something, what your friend, for example, said. And слышаться, послышаться means to mishear something that didn't really happen. I think this is it, and quick practice. I hope you had a chance to write down all verbs, because you need to fill in the gaps. Feel free to pause the video, do the exercise by yourself, or let's do it together. Он очень умный, мне нужно та-да-да к его советам. Remember, there was only one verb that we used with the preposition к. He is very smart. I need to take into consideration his advice. Мне нужно прислушиваться к его советам. Very long verb. Мне нужно прислушиваться к его советам. Та-да-да, разговоры нехорошо. Conversations not good. Over here, conversations is not good. Over here is подслушивать. Подслушивать разговоры нехорошо. Подслушивать разговоры нехорошо. Я думал, он мне сказал привет, но мне та-да-да. I thought he said hi, but мне послышалось. I thought he said hi, but I misheard. Nope, he didn't say hi. It was in your head. Я та-да-да лекцию 10 раз, но не смог найти ответ. So I did something to a lecture for 10 times, but I couldn't find an answer. What do you do with the lecture 10 times? You listen to it 1, 2, 3, 10 times. Я переслушал лекцию. Я переслушал лекцию 10 раз, но не смог найти ответ. Каждое утро я радио. Every morning я слушаю радио. Преподаватель мой ответ и поставил оценку. So the teacher, та-да-да, my answer and rated. So преподаватель выслушал мой ответ. Преподаватель выслушал мой ответ и поставил оценку. So he listened to my answer till the end, and only after this he rated it. А что это за звук? Ты, та-та-та. What is this sound? What is this noise? Do you hear? Ты слышишь? When we are talking about noise or different sounds, usually we use the verb слышать, to hear. Что это за звук? Ты слышишь? And the last one. Я до конца его речь и ушел домой. До конца, so I до конца, till the end, his speech and went home. Я до конца means till the end, я не дослушал до конца. Я не дослушал до конца. So I didn't listen till the end his speech and went home. Well, I hope you didn't make any mistakes. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let me know as usual if you have any questions. Have a good day, guys. Пока-пока.